Hello my friends, welcome back to Easy English with Chani. Let's learn English step by step with Chani. Today we are cleaning the house. Now let's learn together step by step. First, listen carefully. Just listen and relax. Next, we learn new words, simple vocabulary and easy grammar. Then, listen again and practice with me. Repeat after me. Finally, practice by yourself. Speak slowly. You can do it. Learn English is easy when we learn step by step. Hi Chani, what are you doing? I'm cleaning the house. Oh, I am sweeping. Good job. Let's make the house clean and pretty. Vocabulary practice. I am cleaning. I am washing. I am sweeping. I am dusting. I am mopping. We use I am plus verb and ing to say what we are doing now. I am cleaning, I am washing, I am sweeping, I am dusting, I am mopping. I am doing now. Let's try together. What are you doing? I am cleaning the house. What are you doing? I am washing the dishes. I am sweeping. I am dusting. I am mopping. Now, practice by yourself. Great job! Today we learned housework words. Clean, wash, sweep, dust, mop. Next time, talking about food. Don't forget to subscribe me. The new words that you learned today, type them in the comments below. I want to see all the words you remember. Great job learning with me. See you soon.